Hi.
You won't last. This isn't like pain. You were buried in my backyard. That's pain. I'm gonna stop your blood.
Stop that.
I don't want to see any of that.
You're going down, scumbag.
Feeling pretty helpless right now, huh?
What are you doing, school kid?
Why do you care?
Because you don't belong around here.
Says who?
Me!
You?
Uh-huh. You think you're funny, huh?
You're a loser, man.
Damn straight!
You're awesome. Do that again.
I'm crazy, rich boy, crazy! And you are starting to annoy me.
I'm not rich. I hate the rich kids.
Not as much as I do. I really hate them.
Man, you've got issues.
You saying I'm crazy?
No, man.
Because I am.
Okay, fine. You're crazy.
And someone's gonna get hurt.
I don't doubt it.
Those rich scum. Go smash up their mailboxes. Take my bat. Use her well. Beat any rich scum you come across.
Why?
Because it's them or you.
Well, I know one thing. It's not gonna be me.
All right, now I'm gonna get you.
So long. Hey, I'm not insured. I'm gonna show you the importance of staying in school with my nightstick.
We're done to take care of our own friend. Come on. How you don't belong here? Get outside.
I'm not even trying.
You think you're original?
My hands are registered weapon. I don't know why they say poor people make the best boxes.
You know, you're all right, kid.
Glad you think so.
I can be a little naive at times.
Jimmy comes through again. Huh.
Look where you're going!
Very funny.
I'm sorry. Did I hurt you? I'm sorry. Ugh. Aha. Now, we're even. Ah, my nose!
How you doing, Clint?
Me? Just fine. Ugh. Top of the world!
Yeah, I can see that. You seem really balanced.
That's what my shrink said. Then I headbutted him like this.
Whoa, okay, man. All right, buddy.
You think I'm a moron, don't you? You think I'm a joke, huh?
No, man, relax.
You want me to headbutt you? You want to fight me? Because I'd really like that.
Come on, man. We don't need to fight. We're friends. You know that.
Really? Then get me a bike. I want a bike or I want to fight.
All right, I'll get you a bike. Wait here.
A bike. Yeah.
What do you think you can do to me?
Excuse me.
You think you can hurt me? I've had my That's it. Do not move in the garage, kid. Stop right there. Good work. Now scram. You're gonna wish you never. I tried some catgut on my fishing line, but the damn thing kept scratching me.
Gotta borrow this for a while.
I can't wait to drive an SUV.
Just put it in the garage. Don't tell anybody about this.
I'm going to get in a fight today.
Thanks for the bike.
I'm not scared of you! Get ready for some police brutality.
Put it in the garage and I'll give you the money. You're not too bad.
I said I'd do it.
Shirt, young man. I'm gonna love getting you for this one. Get back here, you little hood rat.
Hey, what you looking at?
Hey, Zoe.
You wanna have some fun, tough guy?
What kind of fun?
It's not that kind. I only date older men or junkies. They're so romantic.
Come on. What's wrong with me?
Well, everybody hates you. You're a little twerp. You dress terribly. But apart from that, nothing.
Oh, okay. Good.
Why don't we play a little game? Come on.
By older men, I hope you don't mean Mr. Burton. Hey.
Come on. We're going to the Spencer Shipping Warehouse. All right, Jimmy. Here we are.
A warehouse full of expensive-looking junk.
It makes it much more satisfying that all this is Spencer Shipping.
Wait, isn't Tad's last name Spencer?
Yup, and now we're gonna play a little game. Whoever smashes up the most stuff wins. You win!
You sure know how to have a good time, Zoe.
This is the best date ever!
I think we can call that a wrap.
If they don't read you...
Normally I don't care, but with you it's different.
Jimmy?
You're
Let's
very
make out.
special.
I like that.